As we earlier seen how a user connects to dispatcher, and web dispatcher connects to the required instance, Java instance. So in a Java cluster we have Java instance, central instance in database. In Java instance we have ICM and server processes, which are also called as nodes, and works on JVM, which has multiplexing feature. Regarding central instance has message server, enqueue server, which maintains logs, and message server maintains communication, start, stop, logins to web dispatcher, exchanges information between cluster. Next, what we should see is how the enterprise portal is in configured in real time. Where suppose these are the internet users. These three are the internet users who wants to connect to development. Then in between those, in a simple network there won't be outer DMZ. This won't be there. But in complex network this will be there. So firstly, this is the firewall between the proxy server and the user. Proxy server is nothing but it is a gateway which makes sure all requests are not directly sent to application server. This request from user are not directly sent to development server. So this comes to proxy server then directs it to portal server, and portal server connects into development server. The proxy server is a gateway which makes sure all requests are not directly sent to application server. So next we have what is firewall. Firewall is nothing but a set of devices for protection of the network. What is DMZ? DMZ is nothing but demilitarized zone, which means a subnetwork within a network that has limited access to rest of the network. So this is a complete network. Suppose this is a proxy server. This is a proxy server. Proxy server can be either SAP Web Dispatcher, standalone engine, or Apache Web Server. Any one of them. So if we installed SAP Web Dispatcher, that acts as a proxy server. I have one here. So this is a SAP Web Dispatcher standalone engine. It has already started. See, this is SAP Web Dispatcher running it. This is in running condition. So this is acting as proxy server, and it is connected to the enterprise portal server. Enterprise portal server will connect you to the development, PI, Solman, whatever you want to connect. So this is the proxy server, which is the gateway which makes sure all requests are not sent directly to application server. Then this is the portal server where your enterprise portal is installed. This is called as inner demilitarized zone. This is outer demilitarized zone. Between them there will be a firewall to stop intrusion, virus, unauthorized access. So then this enterprise portal is connected to the company network. This is the internal company network. The internal company network. So it has a specific ID, all the network configuration for a specific company. So the company has development, quality, production, CRM, solution manager. The solution manager will be connected to the SAP router. SAP router will be connected to the company SAP AG. So the portal user logs in into the portal. From portal the request is sent to either development, quality and production. The request is sent back to portal. This is again filled and sent back to the user. So to get a connection between user connections between portal server and the backend system, this is a portal server, these are the backend systems. So one user wants to log into development, quality, production, CRM solution manager. He is the basis consultant. So he needs to log in with very different accounts, 5 different accounts. So to clear this problem, the single sign-on was introduced, where all his 5 system details, these 5 system details are maintained in single sign-on on portal. So once he logins into portal, he doesn't need again passwords for all the systems. He can directly log into any of the system without logging in again and again. That is the single sign-on. So this is a brief description of architecture overview and what is single sign-on. Thank you.